Okay guys, I'm gonna make a video on how to repair one of them windshield washer lines when it cracks or when it breaks, leaks. And that's the tools you're gonna need. You're gonna need a regular screwdriver, a cutter, and a lighter, and two zippy tie. Okay, there you go. Like I'm showing there. Hose gotta be like maybe 3 inches. I get one of them clear hoses. I'll get them maybe at the auto parts. See how it won't fit. You have to fight for it. See? I'm fighting for it. It doesn't go in. Well, that's you get the lighter. Lighter comes handy. Heat it up a little bit. Then you stick a screwdriver in there. Squeeze it a little bit back and forth. Make the clear holes wider. Pretty sure you could get that at the auto parts or the Amazon. And now let's try to stick it over into the pipe. Okay. See how I'm heating it up. The other end. I do the same method, screwdriver, squeeze it, okay, or like a ½ inch in there. Okay, see that? All you gotta do is now put the zippy tie over them. Okay, next one, nice and tight. See how I get those little zippy tight? Could get them at Home Depot, Amazon, anywhere, auto parts. Now just cut them off. And that's that, guys. Done. Nice and neat job. They won't come off. Make sure, pull it. Okay, guys. Thumb up if you like the video. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next video.